Hello, welcome to my channel. The place where every recipe comes with a hint of fun. If there's one recipe that's the epitome of an explosion of flavors and that carries with it a rich tradition, it's the Mexican taco. But forget everything you've seen out there, because today you're going to learn the complete step-by-step and straight to the point, without any fuss, with all the details, techniques and secrets to prepare authentic, succulent and absolutely irresistible tacos. Right from your home, with simple ingredients, but with restaurant-worthy results. So sit back, because what you're about to see is not just a recipe, it's a true gastronomic experience. The first thing we need to do is organize all the ingredients. There's no mystery to this step, but it's essential to be precise. And don't forget, the list of ingredients can be found in the video description. On a clean wooden counter, separate 500 grams of beef cut into thin strips, with a little fat to ensure juiciness. Next to it, place 1 finely diced red onion, 2 ripe tomatoes cut into small, uniform pieces, 1 finely chopped clove of garlic, and 1 chopped chili pepper, without the seeds if you want less heat. In separate bowls, add 1 tablespoon of ground cumin, 1 teaspoon of sweet paprika, salt and black pepper to taste. Also have a lemon cut in half within reach, which will be used for finishing, and 6 corn tortillas, preferably homemade. Also set aside finely chopped fresh cilantro, guacamole, made with mashed avocado, lemon, salt and onion. Mexican vinaigrette, made with tomato, red onion, cilantro and a light touch of apple cider vinegar, and a little grated cheese for finishing. If you're enjoying this recipe, please like it, share this video and subscribe to the channel. With everything organized, let's start by preparing the meat, which is the highlight of the recipe. In a glass or ceramic bowl, add the strips of meat, chopped onion, garlic, chili pepper, cumin, paprika, salt and pepper. Mix well with your hands so that all the ingredients are incorporated into the meat, massaging firmly. Squeeze the juice of half a lemon on top and mix once more. Cover with plastic wrap and let it rest for at least 15 minutes. This time will make all the difference in the final flavor. While the meat is absorbing the flavors, heat a large frying pan, preferably cast iron or thick-bottomed, over high heat. When it's very hot, add a dash of vegetable oil and add the meat to sear. Important, don't add it all at once, otherwise it will release water and cook instead of grilling. Do this in 2 or 3 batches if necessary. Let it brown well, stirring occasionally, until it's caramelized on the outside and tender on the inside. When it is ready, turn off the heat and set aside. Now it's time to prepare the tortillas. If you're using ready-made tortillas, heat a non-stick frying pan and place each tortilla in it for about 30 seconds on each side, just to make it pliable and acquire that toasted aroma. If you're using homemade tortillas, even better. The secret here is to make sure they're soft and slightly marked, but never too crispy. After all, the taco needs to bend, not break. Place the warm tortillas on a clean cloth and cover to maintain the temperature until assembly. With all the elements ready, let's move on to the best part, assembling the tacos. On each tortilla, place a generous portion of grilled meat while still warm. Top with a spoonful of colorful Mexican vinaigrette, made with tomato, red onion, cilantro and a light touch of apple cider vinegar. Add a spoonful of well-seasoned guacamole, made with mashed avocado, lime, salt and onion. Finish with chopped fresh cilantro and if you like, a sprinkle of grated cheese. You can use mozzarella, cured Minas cheese or even cheddar cheese, depending on your taste. Squeeze some more lime on top and your Mexican tacos are ready to be eaten. The presentation is simple, but full of personality. Place the tacos on a wooden board or rustic plate, accompanied by cut lime, a small pot of extra vinaigrette and a small bowl of hot sauce for those who like it more exciting. If you're serving them to guests, decorate them with fresh cilantro leaves and use colorful napkins to give them that Mexican charm. And look, it's impossible to eat just one. Each bite is an explosion of flavors, with a perfect balance between the heat of the spices, the acidity of the lime, the creaminess of the guacamole and the texture of the meat. Now that you know exactly how to make Mexican tacos from scratch, without complications and with an authentic flavor, it's your turn to get your hands dirty and surprise everyone in your home. This is the kind of recipe that becomes a tradition, one that you'll make over and over again because it's easy, quick, tasty and full of personality. If you liked this video, don't forget to like it and subscribe to the channel for more incredible recipes like this one. See you in the next video. And don't forget, the kitchen is where the magic happens.